reconstruction. Been working on this for a couple months now. The biggest part been just getting parts for this thing. Everybody's stingy with the parts right now. But we getting that in the frame, well, the rail welded back up in there. This old side was smashed to pieces. Still gotta get it straightened up, bend it back a little bit, get it straightened up. Tack weld that. Back completely smashed in. The bed was destroyed. Still gotta get this side completely lined up. It's not completely lined up yet, but I'm trying to, well, I'm going to get the frame on. Gotta cut the frame and replace it. And then I'm gonna bend this side straight, make sure it's straight as the frame is. This side I still have a lot of flexibility movement, but it's kind of lined up a little bit. Gotta bring this floor back just a tad bit. A little cheap welder, I got the good welder. I'm just trying to put some little tack welds up there just to keep it up. Then I'm gonna probably grind it back down and use the good MIG welder and get it all up there real nice and easy, shave it down. I'm just fitting it right now so I can actually do the side and make sure the door closed. For everything, if I put the good welds in and then it's not straight, I gotta cut it and redo it. That's no fun. So we're trying to do one and done, but when the car's bent and you basically replacing the whole rear without doing the right side, we should have just put in the whole rear. But that might have broke the car's budget, and we always try to be client friendly around here. If you can't do it, you can't do it. But just warn your client, let them know, hey, it ain't gonna come back from factory. You're gonna drive straight down the road. They ain't gonna look like it came back from factory. Now try to get them gaps as close as possible. But you ain't gonna, it's not always gonna be perfect. Sometimes you may gotta realign the panel in the rear. I do little things, but just make it look OEM. It don't really look good OEM from the factory anyway. Some of the gaps in these trucks I've seen, never been an accident. I know they had like a rooftop problem at one point. This is pretty fun. I'm gonna give you a little more snippets. I still got a lot to do actually. Wiring, but I still gotta do the paint. I gotta do the paint on this side when I get to it, but this a little challenge with the rear. Is so many panels. Typically it's easier, but this got a lot of panels on it. Pretty fun. You just got to be careful, because buying something else and then waiting. Yeah, when they cut these things, they really don't play fair. Just cut them how they want to cut them. But we'll give you some updates on when I get to that frame, because that's going to be a monster.